At HFN, we have been working with millions of farmers across the India. While we have been at this journey for over a decade, we realized that farmers not only just need seeds, pesticides, connectivity to the market, but then there's a humongous need even the corporates have to be able to connect to more than 500 million people in India who resides in rural and sub-rural areas.
So over the years, HFN has developed a network of thousands of mini entrepreneurs, which we call them Sarthis, in rural Indian villages. These entrepreneurs, these Sarthis, have joined hands with us to help the farmers in their village, leveraging the services offered by HFN.
Serving a rural population is a little bit different than serving population in urban India, because rural population is not that literate, they are sparsely populated, and they are very, very hard to serve for various reasons.
What we have understood is, looking at their passion, the time and energy that they have at their disposal, their time and energy could be offered to not just HFN but a lot of rural-centric companies, startups, NGOs, government bodies. So their objective of reaching last-mile farmers, and they are looking at resources and opportunities wherein they can do it in a much faster way and more qualitative way.
By connecting corporates with the farmers, it not only helps corporates, but it also helps millions of farmers tap into the best of the services and products which are available to rest of the world.
Our Sarthis perform a very unique capability. That is, they are living in that village. They know the farmers in their village much better. And since every village is different from other, every Sarthi has a unique offering to us. So we want to welcome all the companies who want to join hands with us, leverage the network, and bring more livelihood to these thousands of Sarthis.
So let's join hands to transform rural economy and millions of life in India.